Hello and welcome to another video in this module, and in this video I'm going to talk about local SEO. So if I talk about local SEO means local search engine optimization, which involves multiple things like local on-page targeting. So if you have created your website and you wanted to rank for the particular location, then you can start adding those sort of location keyword on your website. So let's suppose I wanted to rank my website on local dentist, like best dentist in Bangalore. So this is going to be the keyword which I'm totally going to mention on my website and will show you. If you see sitemap is ready, this is the sitemap. If I get my full sitemap, so this is how my sitemap is going to be look like. Now let's come back to the topic. So if best dentist in, so if you see, if I search for best dentist in Bangalore, I will figure out the Google My Business pages. Okay, then I will figure out these are some of the articles that is ranking. Okay, so if you see, they have mentioned the best dentist in Bangalore in their primary in their title. Okay, in their headline, in their URL. Okay, even they have mentioned somewhere around their whole article. This is how you can also do if you are doing local SEO, mentioning the location in your article. Then local citation and link building. So there are a lot of websites that is related to the listicles like best and testing. This is a these are sites where you can also mention yourself. Okay, Procto and other things that is help you to creating your backlinks. Then voice optimization is also going to be performed. A very important part of local SEO is Google My Business. So these are the Google My Businesses. Okay, if you search, so these are Google My Business and you can literally create. So for creating this, you have to visit Google My Business. Okay, so Google My Business, then you have to sign in here. Once you sign, let's suppose I have a lot of websites mentioned here. Okay, so this is my company, this is someone's client, I don't know, maybe even I work with them. What you have to do, just add single business. Okay, enter your business name. Let's suppose my business name is Roop. Okay, then enter your business category. Let's suppose my category is education. Okay, then next, do you want to add location to a customer visit? If you have visited, if you have a store, then yes or no. Okay, then area where you wanted to mention. Okay, let's suppose I am from Bangalore itself. I mentioned this. Then my phone number and web pages. So once you're done, your page will be created. Okay, so I'm not going to enter my phone number and all, but show you how it looks like. So if you see, once you create, your profile is going to be look like this. Okay, and where you can edit your profile, like you can even edit your business name, category, description, opening date, contact details, every detail you have to mention. And once you are done with this, your Google My Business page will be live and it will look like this. If people search for computer service repair services in Bangalore, the chances your Google My Business profile is going to be look like this. And once you are done with this, you will see a lot of responses. So if you see, this business itself received 12 calls organically, and people have visited this, like people have visited this if they have searched for a computer repair or business name. So your Google My Business page appears on the top. So this is some sort of local SEO you can perform. So for the best, you can go with the blog mentioning your local particular location keyword, or you can create a Google My Business, or you can create directory sites. Okay, and also technical optimization can be also performed. It's more kind of mentioning your location, or location in your article, mentioning the Google My Business location. Okay, so these are the some sort of techniques that you can implement in local SEO, and this will help you to ranking your article. So this is all about this video. See you in the next video with a new topic.